Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving you own the device. That's the key. Gather the Apple ID email if available, the device serial or IMEI, and the original proof of purchase. Once done, connect the iPhone to a computer with the latest Mac OS or iTunes. Make sure you do not run third-party bypass tools. They risk data loss and legal trouble. Instead, prepare these documents so you can work with Apple or the original owner to remove activation lock through legitimate channels. Next, take steps that actually unlock the activation without circumvention. If you can, have the previous owner log into iCloud. Open Find My, select the device and choose Remove from Account. That immediately clears activation lock. If the owner is unreachable, contact Apple support and submit your receipt, device identifiers, and any transfer paperwork. Apple reviews ownership and can remove the lock when documentation is valid. This process protects both buyer and seller and explains why. Once Apple confirms removal, disconnect and restore the iPhone using Finder or iTunes to complete setup. You'll sign in with your own Apple ID. If paperwork or remote removal fails, make an appointment at an Apple store and bring original receipt plus photo ID. Technicians can verify ownership in person. If things go wrong, don't try hacks. Instead, recheck your documents, request the seller to cooperate, or escalate with Apple support for additional review. That preserves your legal protection and device function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.